Perseverance rover. NASA manages to produce oxygen on Mars to sustain an astronaut for 3 hours. NASA has made history by producing enough oxygen on Mars to sustain an astronaut for several hours. In a world-first experiment, the American Space Agency was able to extract 122 grams of oxygen in total after the Perseverance rover, which landed in February 2021, has been burning through the atmosphere's carbon dioxide to generate small amounts of oxygen for more than 2 years. An astronaut uses around 5 grams of oxygen for 10 minutes, meaning that through using a device no bigger than a microwave, NASA could extract around 3 hours worth of oxygen. The device, called MOXIE, produced oxygen 16 times since the first attempt in April 2021, and the result has far exceeded NASA's original goals, according to Deputy Administrator Pam Melroy. She said, "MOXIE's impressive performance shows that it is feasible to extract oxygen from Mars' atmosphere, oxygen that could help supply breathable air or rocket propellant to future astronauts," she said. Developing technologies that let us use resources on the Moon and Mars is critical to build a long-term lunar presence, create a robust lunar economy, and allow us to support an initial human exploration campaign to Mars. MOXIE has created 12 grams in an hour at its peak, which was double NASA's aim, and it came in at least 98% purity. Around 96% of Mars' atmosphere is made up of carbon dioxide, but MOXIE is able to strip the oxygen atoms from carbon dioxide molecules. This gives hope that production on a larger scale could support human life and provide rocket fuel during future explorations. MOXIE, Mars Oxygen in Situ Resource Utilization Experiment, has generated enough oxygen to sustain a small dog for 10 hours. MOXIE produces molecular oxygen through an electrochemical process that separates one oxygen atom from each molecule of carbon dioxide pumped in from Mars' thin atmosphere. The next step for researchers would be to create a full-scale system that includes an oxygen generator like MOXIE and a way to liquefy and store that oxygen. The Mars 2020 Perseverance mission is part of NASA's Moon to Mars exploration approach, which includes Artemis missions to the Moon that will help prepare for human exploration of the Red Planet.